Python all, any, like method for a portion part of list. What would be the most elegant Pythonic way of achieving, if X% of total values in a list are greater than the Y, return true? I have currently implemented a function. But for my use case, waiting for this particular condition is quite costly and somewhat useless. I would want to proceed if tilde 80% of the items in list are greater than the given value. One approach in my mind is to sort the list in descending order, create another list and copy 80% of the elements of list to the new list, and run the function for that new list. However, I am hoping that there must be a more elegant way of doing this. Any suggestions?
What about this? It states, check is true if more than threshold percent, 0.80 by default, of the elements in list items are greater than val.
Check each item in order. If you reach a point where you are satisfied, then return true early. If you reach a point where you can never be satisfied, even if every future item passes the test, then return false early. Otherwise keep going, in case the later elements help you satisfy the requirement. This is the same idea as Fatahakisi in the comments above, but with a further optimization.
It sounds like you are dealing with long lists, which is why this is costly. It would be nice if you could exit early as soon as a condition is met. Any will do this, but you'll want to avoid reading the whole list before passing it to any. One options might be to use itertils.accumulate to keep a running total of true values and then pass that to any. Something like accumulate won't need to read the whole list, it will just start passing the number of true values seen up to that point. Any should short circuit as soon as it finds a true value, which in the above case is at index 5.
I don't want to take credit for Mark Meyer's answer, as he came up with the concept of using accumulate and any, as well as there's being more Pythonic/readable. But if you're looking for the fastest approach, then modifying his approach with using map versus using comprehensions is faster. Just to test. The results are
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.